Hey there, it's Fresh Roof. We're diving into the top 100 questions we get asked about roof maintenance and protection for your asphalt shingle roofs. Is there a difference between residential and commercial application? Not at all. As long as the roof is made of asphalt shingles, Fresh Roof works just as effectively for both. Whether it's protecting your family's home or extending the life of your business's roof, our product is designed to rejuvenate and restore asphalt shingles regardless of the setting. The technology behind Fresh Roof penetrates deeply into the shingles, restoring the essential oils and flexibility needed to resist weathering and extend the roof's lifespan. It's a versatile solution that works for houses, office buildings, retail spaces, or any property with asphalt shingles. So, whether you're a homeowner or a business owner, Fresh Roof has you covered.